According to the Guardian newspaper and some other newspaper outlets or media outlets in Nigeria, federal government announced that we are targeting about 500,000 youth entrepreneurs for YouthCred, as you can see from the headline right here. If you check on Punch and then PM News and every other outlet, you're going to see this particular news right here. And some of people that are qualify and meet the criteria of this particular loan here do not know how to apply, and I decided to make a video about it and show you step by step on how you can easily apply for this particular loan right here. So if you are an entrepreneur, you are a youth corps member, or you are self-employed, you are eligible for this loan, provided that you are not above the age of 40 years. Let me show you on how you can easily apply for this federal government YouthCred loan, and without any paperwork. Let's get started. So the very first thing we want to do here is that you can simply create a new tab. Okay, now when you create a new tab, you can do this on your phone or on PC. I have already applied for mine, and then when you apply successful, you are going to get an instant email from YouthCred Corp, just like what you see right here. Self-employed verification started. Dear applicant, thank you for submitting your self-employed application. We have received your information and have been processed your request. You will receive another notification once your verification is complete. This was the reply after a successful apply for the loan. How can you apply for the loan? So what you need to do right here is that these are the criteria you need for this particular loan. You need your BVN, you need your NIN. The next thing you want to do right here, you see this particular youth corp right here. Just highlight, right click, and then hit on copy, or better still, you can type it in your web browser. Then go back to your browser right here, and then right click, and then simply paste it. Okay, and hit enter. This is the official website of YouthCred Corp right here. So all you have to do is to click on the first result right here. You can see creditcorp.ng. Click on it, and it's going to take you to this official web page right here. Now, this Credit Corp here categorized into different criteria. Okay, now when you get to their website, you just want to make sure you scroll down and read some of the news right here. You can see your first credit mode, trusted by leading partner, designed for a long-time financial growth, things like that. You can scroll down and read different criteria for each category. Okay, you can read on some of the FAQ questions right here. Simply visit our website, fill out a quick application, and get verified in minutes, blah, blah, blah. You can read all the FAQ as the case may be. So this is the official website. Don't go into a wrong way, and don't pay anybody for application. It is all free. Okay, provided that you meet up the criteria, you'll get the loan. And this is the official website URL right here. Just type this on your web browser, whether you are using phone or you are using PC to do the registration. Now, how do you register? This is for NYSC section right here. Okay, you can see, take our credit knowledge courses and unlock low cost convenient credit for up to 6 months, designed exclusively for NYSC core member. So if you are NYSC or you are serving core member, it is advisable that you apply for this particular section right here. Just click on get started. Okay, when you click on get started, fill in your data and your NIN and your BVN, and then you get an instant response as far as your application was submitted successful. Then if you are self-employed or an entrepreneur, you need to make sure you apply for this one right here, which is youth empowerment. Get access to convenience loan designed for young employed professionals between the age of 18 to 39. Whether it is a very long purchase or other personal need, you will enjoy up to 12 months loan and competitive rate. Okay, so if you are in this category, you can read detail, convenience and fast access, apply in minutes and receive quick credit decision within minimal paperwork. Okay, build trust, unlock higher limits. This is when you repay your loan within this stipulated period of time, within the framework of time. Then you get more loan assigned to your profile. Then fair rate, no hidden charges, as the case may be. This is federal government, okay? Now, for every employed or self-employed entrepreneur, this is the section for you. Just click on Get Started right here. When you click on Get Started, it's going to redirect you to this part right here. Now, you have different options here. Who are we helping today? Now, if you are a core member, click on core member. If you are employee youth, click on employee youth. If you are youth entrepreneur, that is, you have your personal business, maybe you are selling stuff, okay? Click on this one right here, okay? So I'm going to click on youth entrepreneur. So when you click on youth entrepreneur, this form here is going to pump up right here. Fill in your real email address that you have access to. Then come here, fill in your real phone number that you have access to. They can call you at any point in time. Then here, take a photo. Here, you can click here, and when you click on here, it will allow you to capture a real-time photo. So if you are using PC and your PC does not have webcam, it is advisable that you use your phone that has a front selfie camera, because you will need to capture your real face as at the time you are making the application. Uploading of photo is not allowed, so you need to take note of that. Okay, then the last part here is when you fill in your BVN. Fill in your BVN, and then the last one right here is enter your NIN number. Every Nigerian should have this, okay? BVN and NIN number, you must have that. Once you fill in all this information, just submit your form. After you submit successful, you will get an instant recognition mail right here in the provided mail that you use when you are doing the application. You will get something like this. It's that simple. Within 12 to 48 hours, they will get back to you and tell you the result based on what you submit as far as the application is concerned. So if your application was approved, you get an alert. If the application was not approved, they will tell you the reason why they reject your application. It's that simple. I think every youth Nigerian entrepreneur can take advantage of this. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about federal government or any government agency opportunity like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.